Hey there, Todd Jones with Rodeo Realty. I'm going to take you on a tour of my lovely new listing at 3456 Laurelvale Drive in Studio City. Nestled in the hills south of the boulevard in the Carpenter School District. We've got this great open floor plan, 3-bedroom, 3-bath home. We're going to start with the living area here. Enough room for a grand piano, lots of lovely furniture, dining area, and look at this kitchen. A cook's dream. Really nice big Sub-Zero fridge. We have Wolf appliances. Even have a little warming drawer. Just realizing these lights aren't on. There we go. Now, there's also a bar here, which is fantastic for entertaining. There is surround sound also, and speakers outside. I'll show you the pool in a minute. So we've got 3 bedrooms. I'm just realizing we have a box here in the room. This is a Murphy bed. It folds down. You can also just put a regular bed in here. It could also be a den. Like if you wanted an extra entertainment room or that sort of thing, but it does make a great bedroom, and it has its own bathroom. In fact, all 3 bedrooms have their own bathrooms. And there's gonna be a lot of stuff in the closet, but I'll go ahead and show you. We've got a walk-in closet here as well. By the way, this is a 360 camera, so you can look up, down, turn around. I'm gonna show you that bathroom from a different angle. So we got the bar, and then this hallway leads to the other 2 bedrooms. Over here, of course, we have a nice storage for linens. And then this is where the side-by-side washer and dryer go. Let's turn on the lights so we can see. There we go. Nice little laundry area. There are solar tubes throughout. It's in the afternoon, so you can't really tell how much light comes through. Bedroom number 2 is right here. And then this is the bathroom that's attached to that, which this door will serve as a guest bathroom as well. So you can close this. In fact, this door is so cool. It used to be a shower door, and she liked it so much that she had them keep it and put it in the door. And then, of course, there is a shower in here as well. So let's head back this way so we don't walk through the bathroom again. And we'll go to the primary bedroom. Very nice sized bedroom, bay window, and we're on a dead-end street, by the way, so there's no cut through. People will get home from work, driving crazy through the Hollywood Hills. None of that. It's a dead-end street. And we have closets on both sides leading into the primary. It's all lined up with, I think it's the Alpha shelves. And then here we have the primary bathroom with dual vanities, 1 on each side, and then a beautiful glass enclosed shower. Now let's go and take a look at the backyard. This is truly spectacular. The backyard has, you'll see a swimming pool, a barbecue area, and then a just beautifully like adorned hillside. Look at that, with a path going all the way up. In fact, we'll go up a little ways just so you can see it. Great pool. It's so pretty. Look at this outdoor dining area. The HVAC has been recently updated along with the electricity. Oh, look at this. There's even like an outdoor sink over here. And this is cool, you know, on the side of the house. You can see it, the new HVAC system there. Pool equipment right here. It's a heated pool, and this is the outdoor area I was talking about. And then up here, look at that. This is great. Up here, we're gonna go check out a little bit of this. Let's see how high I can make it. It's you can get your own free Stairmaster here. This is pretty rare. There is a rail leading up almost all the way. A lot of times you have these cool hillsides, and we show them to them like, hey, you could put a sitting area up there and it would be beautiful. But in this case, there actually is one. Look at that. There's Getting to see the sunset as we go up. See if I can do this without getting out of breath. All right, almost to the top. Well, actually, this isn't even the top. You can go higher up. I'm gonna stop at this sitting area. So, cute little landing here. There's another one up top. You can look down and see the pool and the house. Do you want to go up? Should we keep going? All right. If you're hanging with me on this video, kudos to you. You're probably not huffing and puffing as much as I am. Look at this. Another sitting area. All with rails. Isn't that cool? Only thing is, can't have too much wine because you got to go back down. And then one last area here. Made it to the top. I'll show you. Little sitting area here and here under this beautiful oak tree. Look at that. All right, if you'd like to see it in person and make the hike, let me know and we'll take a look. Thanks for watching.